Hello guys, and welcome to Efficiency Elevated, where we teach you how to be productive in your daily life and provide motivational videos to help you remain steadfast through the journey. Identify the habit. We all have bad habits that hinder our productivity, whether it's procrastination, excessive phone use, or negative thinking patterns. Breaking these habits is crucial to enhance our productivity and achieve our goals. In this lesson, we will explore effective strategies to break bad habits and develop productive ones. Understand the triggers. The first step in breaking a bad habit is to identify it. Reflect on your daily routines and behaviors that hinder your productivity. It could be checking social media excessively, watching TV for hours, or constantly multitasking. Pinpoint the specific habit you want to change and write it down. Set clear goals. Establish clear and specific goals for breaking the bad habit. Make your goals realistic, measurable, and time-bound. For example, instead of aiming to completely stop a habit, start with reducing it by a specific amount or allocating limited time for it. Habits are often triggered by certain cues or situations. Analyze what triggers your bad habit. It could be stress, boredom, or certain environmental cues. By understanding the triggers, you can develop strategies to avoid or manage them effectively. Instead of merely trying to eliminate a bad habit, focus on replacing it with a more productive one. Find an alternative activity that aligns with your goals and brings you closer to success. For instance, if you find yourself excessively checking emails, replace that habit with allocating a specific time slot for email management and use the rest of your time for more meaningful tasks. Create a supportive environment. Your environment plays a crucial role in shaping your habits. Modify your surroundings to support your productivity goals. Minimize distractions by decluttering your workspace, turning off notifications on your phone, or using website blockers for time-wasting websites. Surround yourself with positive, motivated individuals who encourage your productivity. Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool for breaking bad habits. Reward yourself whenever you successfully avoid the undesirable behavior or engage in a productive alternative. The reward can be as simple as taking a short break, treating yourself to something you enjoy, or acknowledging your progress. Practice mindfulness. Developing mindfulness can help you break bad habits by increasing your self-awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts, emotions, and impulses when the urge to engage in the bad habit arises. Mindfulness allows you to pause and make a conscious decision to choose a productive alternative instead of succumbing to automatic behaviors. Finally, breaking bad habits is an essential step towards enhancing productivity. By identifying the habit, understanding the triggers, setting clear goals, replacing with productive alternatives, creating a supportive environment utilizing positive reinforcement, practicing mindfulness, and staying consistent, you can effectively break the cycle of unproductive behaviors and pave the way for a more productive and fulfilling life. Remember, change is possible with determination, self-reflection, and a commitment to personal growth. If you found these tips helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing this video. Thank you.